In this first video, I'm going to talk about the meaning of pixel art. So, what is pixel art? Pixel art is the art of making pictures with small squares, called pixels. Each pixel is intentionally placed. A pixel is the smallest unit of a digital image. They are like the cells in a body. You can see in these pictures each of those pixels in the big circle. All video games had to find a way to represent characters and environments with pixels. Because of technical limitation, they had to do this with small images and also a small amount of colors. With the pass of time, those limitations disappeared. Game artists were allowed to use bigger sprites with more colors. Pixel art is still popular today. This is because of nostalgia. It is also effective, attractive, and is kinda easy in a way to make. This also means that there is a lot of people looking for pixel artists, and that's good. Because there are basically no limitations today in 2D graphics, pixel art can be re-explored. You can use modern effects like bloom, real-time reflections, and more, like in this game. But, have in mind, bigger pictures and more colors also means more work to do. That is pixel art. Now let's see two concepts related to pixel art: anti-aliasing and dithering. Anti-aliasing is a technique used to soften the graphics that you can see in your screen. Anti-aliasing uses semi-transparent pixels to achieve this effect. The shape on the left has anti-aliasing, the one in the right doesn't have anti-aliasing, therefore it looks a little bit harsh. In general, when you are making pixel art, you won't be using anti-aliasing, and when you do, it is handmade. The second concept is dithering. This technique is based on making an exchange through a pattern between two colors to simulate a gradient. It is an illusion to simulate a sheer color between two colors. The first sphere to the left doesn't have dithering. As you can see, there are many types of dithering. The most common one is the checkerboard one. This is the end of the first video. In the next one, I'm going to teach you about different software to make pixel art. See you in the next video.